So checking out JASMY, we've just had a huge pump in the past hour. I just recorded a video on this, but it looks like we made our decision already, so I thought I'd make a quick update. Now, bulls are definitely back in control. If we come over to higher time frames, I think if we start on the daily, you can just see the volume that we've got coming in right now. Looks very nice, and the bears are starting to lose momentum. On the daily, they're losing momentum, but you know, on the 4-hourly, they've completely almost lost everything. On the hourly, yeah, bulls are really taking back control. We've pumped above the hourly EMA ribbons, and you know, I made a video, like I said, talking about how we need to bounce on this 1.7 level, and you know, I don't want to get too excited yet. But the bounce has come in. First of all, I'd like to see a break above the 2.618 Fibonacci at approximately 2.2 cent, and then we've got our original local high up here at 2.3 cent. I can get really excited and jump out of bed for JASMY once we do take out the 2.2 and 2.3 cent level respectively. If you've been watching my JASMY videos, you know that I've been sitting on the sidelines since we were all the way up here at 5 cent. When we were down here at 3 cent, falling out the bottom of this this descending triangle slash bullish pennant, I was saying how I want to sit on the sidelines until we come down to the 786 and have a bounce, and then I would be looking to enter a trade on JASMY, and it looks like we've done exactly that. So this is really an update to let you know that I am now entering that trade on JASMY that I was talking about. So from when I started talking about this, we've got a 60% discount. A lot of people were rushing in on the top of this wick calling for this to just explode, and you know, even when we were calling it down here at 3 cent, I was saying I'm sitting on the sidelines, and look, I mean, 35% discount from the price we were talking about a week ago, and from 2 or 3 weeks ago, literally like a 60% discount. So really a quick video to let you know we're not necessarily out of the clear yet. We're not 100% safe, but nonetheless, I really do like the setup we're seeing where we've pumped above these 786s. It did get a little bit shaky when we were down here, but the increase in volume, the fact that bears are losing all momentum on the higher time frames and bulls are already back in control in the lower time frames, tells me that, in my opinion, there's a very good chance that JASMY has bottomed now. I've previously highlighted this before, where JASMY made, you know, a big local bottom, came down to the 786 and bounced. We really fell through this 786, and I mean, the only way I think it held was if we drew it to the candle body close, and then even then, yeah, your 786 was right here. So I mean, we did kind of invalidate the trend, but nonetheless, this could just be moving a bit euphoric. I think the market cap of this is around about 80 to 90 million right now, so I don't personally see it coming much lower. We still need to keep our eyes on 1.7. It would be devastating if we did take that out. But yeah, I thought I'd just update you. We're really not out of the clear until we take out 2.2 and 2.3 cent. But for the past month, for the past 3 weeks, 2 weeks, I've really been talking about wanting to play JASMY from a position of strength and buy it when it tells me that it has potentially bottomed, and I'm seeing those signals now. So obviously not financial advice, you do what you want with your own money, I'll never advise you what you should do, but for me, I've got a 60% discount from where I've been looking at this for the past couple of weeks. If you were watching my videos when we were back at 5 cent and when we were back at 3 cent, and I was calling for these lower price targets and you were, you know, looking to enter for cheaper, in my opinion, this could be the bottom. So while we have pumped 9% today, do bear in mind I've been covering this since it was 5 cent. I told you I was sitting on the sidelines. I've been covering this when it was 3 cent, and I told you I was sitting on the sidelines. And I was sitting on the sidelines yesterday. I mean, I could have bought down here, but I wanted to make sure that we were going to hold this level and not fall through. Because if we did fall through, like I said, I mean, the lows are the only place we've got to go. So yeah, I don't want to take up too much of your time or overcomplicate this. The most simplest way to draw this, really, I mean, the local high up here at 2.3 cent, we really need to keep our eyes on this, and then 2.618 fib down here, 2.2 cent. These are where I've got my eyes on. I think once we take these out, you know, it's undisputable that JASMY is going to enter, you know, an uptrend, potentially coming back to the all-time high or the local high up here. I don't think that JASMY is going to return to its all-time high, which is, I believe, a couple of dollars. This is really a short-term trade for me, I'm not going to lie. I could see this returning to the local high up here at 33 cent, I'm not going to lie, but Yeah, I don't necessarily believe that JASMY will return to its all-time high at $3. I think that's a little bit of a stretch. That is just my opinion though, you can let me know what you think below. But yeah, really just a quick update to let you know we've had a nice bounce, volumes coming in. Bulls look like they're taking back control. And I am entering a trade. That's basically all I've got for you. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion on the market. And you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.